Hey everyone, so today we're diving into something that is often misunderstood, cleaning. A lot of people think cleaning is intuitive, that you just know how to do it. But honestly, that's not always the case. It's actually a skill, and like any skill, it has its own techniques, tips, and yes, common mistakes. So let's break this down. So how do we know how to clean efficiently in a way that's best for our homes or health? Did your parents teach you, or did you learn by watching them clean? Or maybe you had to figure it out on your own along the way. Cleaning can seem easy, but there is more going on that meets the eye. Let's talk about some examples where intuition just doesn't cut it. In part 1 video, we'll focus on the essential supplies and tools, how much cleaning product to use, which product works best for each surface, and the difference between cleaning and disinfecting. And in part 2, we'll dive into the benefits of color coding, the importance of dwell time, and much more. If there is a particular section you're looking for, feel free to skip through the chapters in the description below. Let's talk about one of the biggest myths in cleaning, the idea that you need a separate cleaner for every single job. You know how it goes, you walk into the cleaning aisle and start grabbing a kitchen cleaner, a bathroom cleaner, a toilet cleaner, something for the floors, the glass, the furniture. Before you know it, the cleaning cabinet looks like a mini version of the store's cleaning aisle. Here's the truth, you really don't need all that. With just a few essentials, you can clean nearly every surface in your home. Simple, versatile, and natural, that's the way to go. Let me break that down for you. Here's what you'll need. White vinegar, it removes mineral deposits, deodorizes, has mild degreaser properties, and even has mild antibacterial properties. It's great for cleaning glass, wiping down counters, tackling lime scale in the bathroom, and even deodorizing fabrics. Just keep a spray bottle with diluted vinegar around 1 part of vinegar to 1 part water, and you're covered for many surfaces. Baking soda. It's slightly abrasive, so it's perfect for scrubbing without scratching, and it neutralizes odors, which makes it great for deodorizing carpets, fabrics, and garbage bins. Sprinkle it on grimy surfaces, add a bit of water, let it sit, and it's ready to leave dirt and oils with ease. Dishwashing liquid. This might be labeled for dishes, but dishwashing liquid is a fantastic general purpose cleaner. Use it to cut grease, clean countertops, or mix a little bit with baking soda for an effective scrubbing paste. A few drops go a long way, making it economical and efficient. Good quality microfiber cloth. A good microfiber cloth can clean surfaces effectively with just water. No need for chemical cleaners. Use microfiber to dust, polish mirrors, wipe down surfaces, even clean up spills. It's a small item that makes a big difference. Plus, they are reusable, making them eco-friendly and economical. Just keep in mind, not all microfiber are the same. Compare different brands and choose the one that works the best. If you had bad luck with microfiber and noticed that it didn't absorb water as well, or left streaks if we talk about glass-specific microfiber, then it just means the quality of that brand is poor. Find another one. Non-scratch scouring pad. This is your friend for cleaning cookware, sinks, or stovetops without scratching them up. It's a bit more abrasive than a microfiber cloth, but gentle enough to avoid damage. Just pair it with baking soda or dish soap to get rid of grease and grime. Personally, I prefer using sisal fiber scouring pads, which are readily available in my area. They are biodegradable, making them an eco-friendly choice. A few brushes and an old toothbrush. Great for grout, faucets, or any hard-to-reach spots. That old toothbrush might just become your favorite tool for cleaning those tricky areas. A couple of empty spray bottles. These are perfect for homemade cleaning solutions. I recommend at least 2 or 3, so you can have one for glass, another one for general cleaning, and maybe one for any specific mixes you use often. Just make sure they are labeled so you don't mix them up. So here's one you might not think of, a squeegee. This tool is amazing for windows, mirrors, and shower doors. It leaves a streak-free finish and really helps reduce water spots if you use it after cleaning. Just a quick swipe and you're done. That's it. With these basics, you're covered. And the best part, they are eco-friendly, non-toxic, and incredibly versatile. So no need to turn your cleaning cupboard into a cleaning aisle, and no more cluttered cupboards or mystery chemicals. Instead, keep it simple, save space, and feel good about using natural products that are safe for your home. Who says cleaning has to be complicated? Let's talk about another common myth in cleaning, thinking that more cleaner means better results. We've all been there, adding a heavy squeeze of dishwashing liquid to clean the dishes, a little extra laundry detergent, or maybe a few more sprays of cleaner on the countertop. But here's the truth. More cleaner doesn't necessarily mean a cleaner result. In fact, it can actually work against you. Take laundry detergent, for example. Adding extra detergent doesn't mean your clothes get cleaner. In fact, too much soap can leave residue on fabrics, making them feel sticky or stiff, and it can even build up inside your washing machine, causing issues over time. The right amount actually helps rinse clothes thoroughly, giving you soft, fresh results every time. Or when you're spraying an all-purpose cleaner on a surface, like the kitchen counter. Using too much can leave a sticky residue that is tough to wipe off completely and might attract even more dirt afterward. When cleaning counter is less is often more. A few sprays go a long way when paired with a good microfiber cloth. The same goes for dishwashing liquid. If you pour too much in, it takes a lot longer to rinse off completely, wasting both water and time. And if you are hand washing a lot of dishes, you'll quickly notice the need for additional rinses to get rid of that slippery feel. The reality is that more bubbles or suds doesn't equate to better cleaning power. Since the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic, there has been a tendency to overuse disinfectants. While disinfection is important, excessive use can lead to health problems or contribute to the development of resistant bacteria. Overuse of certain chemical disinfectants can be irritating to the skin and potentially toxic when used in large quantities. Let me share a personal example. There was a time when I thought that using antibacterial soap daily was a good idea, and it quickly led to skin irritation. My hands became dry and started cracking. And same goes with hand sanitizers. Also, overusing disinfectants can harm the environment. When too much goes down the drain, it can pollute water, hurt aquatic life, and strain water treatment systems. It can also upset the balance of helpful microorganisms that keep ecosystem healthy. Want to avoid over-disinfecting? Start by removing your shoes indoors. This keeps outside germs from spreading into your home. And don't forget to wash your hands as soon as you arrive home. By adopting these simple habits, your home will mostly need just cleaning, not constant disinfecting. And when it comes to mopping floors, adding extra cleaner may seem like it will leave them spotless, but it can actually create a sticky film that is harder to rinse off. This film can build up over time, dulling your floor's shine and even making it more prone to attracting dust and grime. So why is more cleaner not better? The answer is simple. Cleaning products work effectively at a certain concentration. Adding more product doesn't increase cleaning power. It just creates more residue and often more work for you. Try starting with a little less than you think you need. You can always add more if necessary. For most cleaning jobs, a few sprays or a teaspoon of product is all you need. In my videos, I show exactly how much product to use for the best results, so you can clean efficiently without overdoing it. Using the right amount keeps your surfaces cleaner, prevents buildup, and makes cleaning easier in the long run. Remember, less really is more when it comes to getting the best results with the least effort. Another thing that is not so intuitive, not all surfaces can be cleaned the same way. Using an all-purpose cleaner on everything might seem like a shortcut, but it's not always the best idea. Take wood or marble, for example. Vinegar is amazing for a lot of things, but on wood, marble, it can actually damage the finish over time. And for your glass windows or mirrors, using paper towels can leave streaks. The wrong type of cloth might leave tiny fibers, lint, or streaks. Different materials need different approaches. That's why learning the right methods for specific surfaces can save you from frustration and help your home look its best. In my videos, I provide step-by-step cleaning tutorials for every room and surface. Check out my playlist for practical tips. Just click the link in the top right corner of the screen. For some general advice, here's what you need to know to keep your cleaning safe when tackling multiple surfaces at home. A gentle all-purpose cleaner is your go-to for most surfaces. From countertops to cabinets and shelves, it's perfect for wiping down areas like the kitchen counters, tables, even bathroom surfaces. You can make your own all-purpose cleaner with equal parts water and white vinegar with a few drops of dish soap. For mirrors, windows, and any shiny surfaces, a simple glass cleaner does the trick. You can make a homemade version with equal parts vinegar and water, which leaves glass streak-free when used with a lint-free microfiber cloth. Baking soda is a must for tackling tough spots. It's a mild abrasive, so it's great for scrubbing sinks, tubs, grout, or anything needing a little more power. Just sprinkle it, scrub it, and rinse. For most floor surfaces, a diluted mix of water and a few drops of dishwash liquid can be an effective, gentle solution. Baking soda is also fantastic for deodorizing things like carpets, fridges, trash cans, and even mattresses. And here's another thing, your tools matter. I know it's tempting to grab an old rag and a sponge for everything, but the right tools make a huge difference. Microfiber cloths, for instance, are game changers for dusting and streak-free cleaning. They're designed to trap dirt and dust rather than just pushing it around. Investing in a few quality cleaning tools might seem like a small thing, but trust me, it can save you time and energy in the long run. Alright, so let's talk about the essential tools for cleaning. Just the basics that you really need to cover your whole house. You don't need a ton of gadgets, just a few smart choices will do the trick. First up, microfiber cloths. These are magic for dusting, wiping, even polishing. Microfiber grabs dust and dirt super easily, so you don't need a lot of extra products. Plus, they work on just about any surface, from glass to countertops. I recommend keeping a few on hand, maybe one in each room if you can. And the great part is, you just toss them in the wash when they're dirty. Something to be aware of is that there is a difference between a microfiber cloth based on their price. I tested cheap microfiber cloths from a $2 store and more expensive cloths. The more expensive cloths were denser, thicker, and larger. They are made out of higher quality materials, so did get the job done better. Keep in mind that well-known brands may charge premium prices for their products. Just choose something that works for you. Secondly, a good quality squeegee, essential for cleaning windows, mirrors, and shower glass. It helps prevent mold growth in bathrooms for quickly removing moisture. If you have wide windows or glass in the shower, choosing more expensive white squeegee will be better. You'll get the job done faster. Also, don't buy the cheapest squeegee from a $2 store because it might be crooked or the quality of the rubber blade might be poor, leaving streaks or scratches. If you have a lot of floor space to clean, investing in a good quality microfiber mop is a game changer. On the other hand, if you only need to clean a small area, like a bathroom floor, a microfiber cloth might be all you need for the occasional wipe down, so you don't need a mop. Microfiber is an excellent choice for floors because of its superior cleaning ability, reduced need for water or chemicals, and overall efficiency. When selecting a microfiber mop, prioritize durability, ergonomic handle, and versatility for both wet and dry cleaning tasks. Not only can a well-chosen mop make cleaning easier and more effective, but it can also save you money in the long run by reducing the need for disposable products and expensive cleaning solutions. Whether you are tackling a large living space or a small bathroom, microfiber is a reliable, eco-friendly option for achieving cleaner, healthier floors. And lastly, investing in a high-quality vacuum cleaner is crucial for effective cleaning and long-term reliability. A good vacuum should have strong suction, multiple filtration options, and be versatile across different surfaces. Models with HEPA filters are great, while a bagless design can reduce maintenance costs. A quality vacuum saves time by picking up more dirt and debris in fewer passes, and it lasts longer, requiring fewer repairs. Ultimately, it's an investment that ensures a cleaner, healthier home and saves you more money in the long run. I'm very happy with my Dyson vacuum cleaner. In one of my previous videos, I shared my step-by-step guide how to clean it. Let's clear up a big misconception. Cleaning and disinfecting are not the same thing. While they both play important roles, understanding the difference can completely change how you approach your daily cleaning routine. First, cleaning is about removing dirt, grease, and debris from surfaces. It's what makes things look and feel clean, and it helps reduce the number of germs. But cleaning alone doesn't necessarily kill those germs, it just washes many of them away. Disinfecting, on the other hand, is specifically about killing germs on a surface. The problem is, disinfectants don't clean. If you apply a disinfectant to a dirty surface, it won't be as effective because the dirt and grime can block the disinfectant from reaching the germs. This means some bacteria and viruses might survive. In other words, for disinfectants to work properly, the surface needs to be cleaned first. How it works? Start by cleaning. Wipe away the dirt, grease, and crumbs first. This not only makes the surface visibly clean, but also prepares it for disinfecting if needed. Here's another key point. You don't need to disinfect every day or every surface. For most of your daily cleaning tasks, like wiping counters, mopping floors, or cleaning mirrors, good cleaning habits with natural cleaners like vinegar or dish soap are more than enough. Save disinfecting for high-risk areas like toilets, doorknobs, or surfaces that might have come into contact with raw food or illnesses. By understanding this difference, you will avoid wasting time and money on unnecessary disinfecting while keeping your home clean and safe. Cleaning removes the dirt, disinfecting targets the germs, and together they work best when used appropriately. And that wraps up the first part of our video. In part 2, we'll dive into more tips like how to make your cleaning routine more efficient and the secrets to mastering dwell time and color coding. See you there!